All right, today I want to introduce a new belt for us for a new brand. The new brand is CF Moto. Before I get too deep into this one belt's going to fit your 19 and newer CForce, ZForce, and UForce, 800s through 1000s. So it's going to take care of all of those vehicles. Why in the world would we get involved in CF Moto to begin with? One, because there's just a need. This particular line of vehicles is gaining popularity here in the United States. I would say the UForce 1000 as of late more than any, because it represents a very good value for a UTV, a utilitarian version similar to a Ranger or a Can-Am Defender, which costs, can be way more than twice as much. So it offers a good value. And then, like I said, they're just gaining popularity, and there is a need for replacement belts, unfortunately, on these vehicles because factory clutching is not that great. I'm not convinced of some of the aftermarket clutching thus far. So once again, it's just a need. So there are other alternatives. Certainly, it seems the better belt is the OEM, which surprisingly is made by Mitsubishi. And that is a quality OEM belt. They make a lot of OEM belts. Problem is, there is zero reason that any belt for this line of vehicles at this horsepower range should cost $270. I've seen them $229. I've seen what appears to be some Chinese copies at $168 and all the way down, and you never know what you're going to get. So why does it cost so much? I honestly couldn't tell you. It's not because of they put so much into it. It's probably because it's changed hands so many times from Mitsubishi to CF Moto to a distributor or to a dealer, and then finally somebody that's selling it to you. Whereas here in Hunterworks, we make our belt right here in Springfield, Missouri. This is only offered in Hunterworks premium line. It is far less expensive if you go and buy retail dollars, over $100 cheaper, and is equal to or better than that belt. The construction is extremely close to what we've been doing. It did take 2 years to develop this belt, to put quality materials into it, to be able to overcome some of the clutching where the factory lacks on this vehicle. So you can just trust that it's made right in America. It's a heck of a belt, and the price is a lot less. The only downside, I would say, is one, an OEM belt's never going to have a warranty. Two, ours is going to be very limited to this vehicle. Why is that? Because of the reasons mentioned earlier. It's just you can't hardly warranty a belt on a vehicle that is known inherently has clutch issues, and the aftermarket has not 100% corrected it. Because sometimes it's not just the kit, it's the clutches themselves. And so until you created better clutches and the clutching, then it's going to be tough. So that's a little extra, but we certainly will stand behind it. If it's an all crap on us, we'll take care of it. We'll work with you. And then worst case scenario, we'll sell you one at a much lower price, at a dealer price, if you will. So check them out on the website, available on Hunterworks.com, Hunterworks One, and Amazon. If you got any questions, Todd at Hunterworks.com. Thanks.